Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our science class. I am your teacher, Sir Teddy Pagaduan. We will start the quarter 3 period of learning. New quarter, new learning. So prepare yourself, relax as you listen and learn to our lesson today. Quarter 3, Module 1. Motion in terms of distance and time. And it is expected that after this video lesson, you will be able to describe the motion of an object by tracing and measuring its change in position over a period of time. Okay, kids, are you ready? Can you still remember what is motion? Look around you. Everything that you see that is moving is said to be in motion. Our daily activities like exercising, washing our hands, and mopping the floor are examples of motion or movements. How can we say that an object or someone is in motion? When an object changes in its position, we say that there is movement. However, a motion will only happen if there is force applied on the object. Kids, always remember, motion is the change in the position of an object. Do you know how is motion being measured? The change in position is measured with respect to a reference point. Do you know what is a reference point? A reference point is a fixed place or object used to determine the position of an object. Kids, for example, if you are riding on a motorcycle, you are in motion if the reference point is the ground. If the reference point is the seat of the motorcycle, you are not moving. Our lesson focuses on measuring motion in terms of the distance traveled and the time of travel. The distance traveled over time of travel gives the speed, or how fast an object is moving. A fast-moving object has a high speed and covers a relatively large distance in a short amount of time. Contrast this to a slow-moving object that has low speed. It covers a relatively small amount of distance in the same amount of time. An object with no movement at all has zero speed. To calculate the speed of object moving in a straight line is the formula S equals d over t. S is the rate or speed. D is the distance moved or traveled. T is the time it takes to complete the movement. The international system unit for speed is meter per second, or m over s. Okay kids, let's continue. Study the picture. Identify the reference point that determines the presence of motion by encircling it in the figure. Okay kids, let's have an activity. Let's move forward. Direction. Perform the given activity and answer the question written below. Okay kids, it's activity time. take your time and do the different activity in your module. Okay, kids, I know that you have already finished the different activities. Okay, sit back and we will now continue our lesson. By conversion, we get the following values used in the metric system of measurement. The metric system conversion: 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeter. Okay, kids, let's have a try in solving speed. Speed can be calculated by dividing the distance covered by an object in motion by the time spent to cover the distance. This can be expressed as speed equals distance covered over time. Speed is measured in meters per second or kilometers per hour. For example, a tricycle drove to a passenger's house that is 20 meters away from the station in 10 minutes. What is the speed of the tricycle? What is the given? Distance traveled, 20 meters. Time traveled, 10 minutes. Conversion factor: 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Solution: speed equals distance over time. Cancel to facilitate the operation multiplication. To solve for the speed, divide 60 seconds divided by 20 meters. The speed 3.33 meter per seconds. To solve for the time, you have the solution. Time equals distance over speed. For time, 20 minutes over 3 minutes per seconds. The answer is 60 seconds. Cancel the minute. Okay, kids, that ends our lesson for today. I hope that you learn a lot in our discussion. Continue answering the different activities in your module. Good luck and see you again in the next video lessons.